Hey everyone, today we're on the third pillar of mindfulness, and today's pillar is called beginner's mind. And so what a beginner's mind is if you think back, if you've ever been with a little kid who's like 2 or 3, 4 years old, and they're so excited about everything they see. They want to show you the butterfly and they want to, splash in the puddles. So we can cultivate a beginner's mind, and it helps us really become more present with the reality instead of just filing everything through previous experiences. So one thing about becoming mindful is just getting that energy in the moment where you feel very clear. You relax a little bit, you take a deep breath, and then you just start looking at things and you start to notice things that maybe you haven't seen before. Here in Minnesota, I was outside, and instead of thinking of how much I want the snow to melt, I started noticing about the shining sun that went on some of the snowflakes and how it created a beautiful glitter. Icicles can become like magical decorations around your house, and you can go through life just with that open mind. And this really helps in a lot of different ways. It helps with work, it helps with play. As you become more, you have more of a beginner mind, you can really start to deeply enjoy the day-to-day activities, and each day becomes a unique new experience. So beginner's mind, that's our third pillar. Thank you. Bye.